80.25. Holy shit, man. Lost like 1.2 kilograms in one night, man. That's like 3 or 4 pounds. Wow, that's insane, man. Today will be back, biceps and trap workout. I don't really feel like filming, but I will see. I will keep you up to date, guys. See ya.
Guys, welcome back. Sorry I didn't record my workout, but I will speak about it. I started off with some back action. Supersetted the neutral grip pull down with straight lat pull downs, 5 sets each and 15 reps each. Supersetted the close grip pull downs with cedar rolls, 5 sets each and 15 reps each. Finished with some wide grip chin-ups. Over to biceps. Supersetted the close grip cable curls with the close grip Z-bar curl. Supersetted the wide grip cable curls with the Z-bar wide grips curls. And finished with some pull-ups. Traps, did like shrugs, barbell shrugs, increased weight every set. I like to do heavy shrugs and not supersetting with the shrugs, because it's better for me and I get better traps and more fun for my traps. And ended it with a drop set. That was it for my workout. The animal cuts made me feel really weird in my stomach. It was like burning, but that was over after like 5 minutes and that was pretty okay. It really made me sweat doing my cardio and that was amazing, man. I love to sweat because that's just satisfying. I lost really much water weight today, like 1.2 kilograms, is like 4 pounds of water weight. That's really much, but not kind of surprised by it because I did a cheat day a couple days ago and that's all water weight that is stored in my body and needs to go away. Should be back on track tomorrow for my weight. Will still go for some more weight loss, but I will do my next challenge in about 2 weeks. We'll probably do the Rock Legendary Cheat Day or the 15,000 calorie challenge. Comment if you guys have another proposal or challenge, let me know in the comments and I will consider doing that. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed my video, and if you want to know more about me, subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. See ya.